Next, I'm going to discuss about the drain method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method here after that coincides. So at here I've taken int array type variable and have given the size 24. So at here maximum you can enter 24 elements into the array. So this is ARR and the size 24. So hereafter two more variable int I and high. So this is I and the high. And our next console class dot write method. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen. And at here I value start from 0. That check the condition 0 less than or 10 condition is true. So add over all of 0 position, let's enter new elements. So this is array. Now I'm going to do the indexing. So this is a 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So at a AWR 0 let's enter new element. So I'm going to enter 7. So hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 0 to 1. That check the condition 1 less than 10. Condition is 2. So 1 position I'm going to enter 6. Hereafter I is increased now. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 10. Condition is true. So that coincides. So AWR 2 I'm going to enter 11. Hereafter I increase. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 10. Condition is true. So 3 position I am going to enter 16. Hereafter I increase. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 10. Condition is true. So 8 or 4 position let's enter new elements. So I am going to enter 12. Hereafter I increase. So I is become 5. Check the condition 5 less than 10. Condition is true. So 8 or 5% let's enter new element. So I am going to enter 13. Hereafter I increase again, so I is 6 now. Check the condition 6 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 over 6 position, let's enter new element. So I am going to enter 9. Hereafter I increase, so I become 7. That check the condition 7 less than or 10, condition is true. So 8 over 7 position, let's enter new element. So same position I am going to enter 13. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 8 now. Check the condition 8 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 or all of 8 position, let's enter new element. So I am going to enter 1. So I have again I increase, so I is 9 now. Check the condition 9 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 over 9 position, let's enter element. So I am going to enter 21. So hereafter I increase, so I become 10. Check the condition 10 less than 10, condition is not true. So that not coincide, control comes to this point. So 8 all out of 0% value go to high. So 0% is 7, 7 go to high. Hereafter I value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 10, condition is true. So that coincide. So at here 8 all out 0% greater than high. So 0% is 7, high 7. So 7 equal to 7, that's not true, not coincide. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I become 1. Check the condition 1 less than 10, condition is true. So if 8 were out of 1 position greater than high, so 1 position is 6, high is 7. 6 greater than 7, condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 or 2 position greater than high. So 2 position is 11, 11 greater than 7, condition is true. So that coincide. So at 8 or 2 position value go to high. So 2 position is 11, that go to high. So high become 11. Now hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 10, condition is true. So that check the condition. At 8 or 3 position greater than high. So 3% is 16, high is 11. 16 greater than high, 11, condition is true. So 8 or 3% value go to high. So 3% is 16, that go to high. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I become 4. Check the condition, 4 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 or 4% greater than high. So 4% is 12, 12 greater than 16, that's not true, not coincide. I increase, so I is 5 now. Check the condition, 5 less than 10, condition is true. So it is 5% greater than high. So 5% is 13, 13 greater than 16. That's not true. Not going inside. I gonna increase by 1, so I is 6 now. Check the condition, 6 less than 10, condition is true. So it was 6% greater than high. So 6% is 9, 9 greater than 16. That's not true. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 7 now. Check the condition, 7 less than 10, condition is true. So 8 or 7% greater than high. So 7% is 13, 13 greater than 16. That's not true, not coincident. I gonna increase by 1. So I is 8 now. Check the condition, 8 less than 10. Condition is true. So 8 or 8% greater than high. So 8% is 1 greater than 16. That's not true, not coincident. I gonna increase. So I is 9. So I have to check the condition, 9 less than 10. Condition is true. So that coincides. So 8 or 9% position greater than high. So 9% is 21, 21 greater than 16, that's true. So that coincide. 8 of 9% value go to high. So 21 go to high. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 10 now. Check the condition, 10 less than 10, that's not true, not coincide. So hereafter control comes to this point. So at a console cross dot write method. So at a whatever in double quote, so that display. So at a plus, so that is concatenate the value of high. So at your output come greater of 10 number equal to 21. And hereafter control comes to this point. So at your console class dot readline method. So that take one input from keyword and terminate the output scheme. So at your according to given condition that to take the input. So if I give 5, so that receive 5 elements into the array and that check highest number. So at your 16 is highest, so that display. So this is the dry method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next video.